As you see Jay, he's cutting off the zip ties so that the cables become free. The nice thing about this is we've packed these with it already hooked to all of the pulleys inside. They're all wrapped around it. Now to get this to feed through, you have to take the nuts off of each one of the cables so that it can go through. You see that we use 1/2-inch diameter cables, which are very heavy duty, very big. But in order to make this all work, we have to thread them through. So we're going to pull this cable, which is going to extend the cylinder out. Now you notice that the cylinder has been extended out. Now I can take the nuts off. And what we got to do is by extending this, it was real short and I wasn't able to get this rod through. By pulling this cable out, this lengthens my cable. So now I can pull this and come this direction, and this rod I can bring right up through underneath here and come right out through my track. Very easily it fits through there. And then I come over this outside here, and then I just want to pull it right through. And that cable is going to pull out. Then what I want to do is I want to thread this around my outside of this pulley cover. You have to actually pull the cover out just a little bit to get that to fit inside there. It's around the pulley, and now it's sitting on the pulley, and then this is going to go straight up and then up to our top cap that we'll put in here in just a few minutes. We're going to take the nuts off. And then I'm going to thread this through right here. Come up at an angle, and that shaft's going to come right out, just like so. And then I come here and I just want to pull, and it pulls right through. And now this shaft I'm going to insert in through this track. There's no pulleys to go around, so it's just going to insert through, come across, go around this cover. I got to pull that cover out again. And I set them just like that for now until we put our top caps on at the top. We'll do that for all 4 cables. So now I'm on another side. I just want to make sure I'm clear. You're not going to take this shaft and try to feed it back through there. That would not work. So I'm going to come up and lay this over. The only thing I'm doing is I'm going to insert the cable. Now in order to do that, you can see this pulley cover is blocking that hole. So I have to actually pull this cover out just a little bit so that I can fit the cable back inside there. And then it's on the pulley itself. And then it closes back up.